Hey guys, Advanced Genesis 5638 here. Today I'm going to show you how to install an EST Integrity horn strobe properly, as I found out how to do it. Okay, so you have your mounting bracket here. The way I had it before was sitting like this with the part out under here. That little piece sticking out that way, and it hooked. Here, let me take it off so I can show you guys. And it hooking that way. Really, it's supposed to be this way instead of the other way. So, okay, I'm good. First, step one, you want to put your mounting plate on the back box here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to wire up the device. And I'll show you here. You want to wire up the device to this here. Strobe minus, negative, strobe positive, horn negative, horn positive. Okay, so I'm going to wire this up and include pictures. Okay, so be back in a moment. Okay, so once you finished wiring your EST Integrity horn strobe, we're going to go ahead, make sure the little stick thing on the mounting plate is sticking out and not behind. That's the right way here. Okay, so make sure you got the hook. Okay, so we're gonna push this in, stick it at the top first, and push it there. Get it into place there. Once you have that, you can now lock down that set screw that holds the whole thing. And secure EST integrity. Thank you guys for watching.